Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock the Bybit app. If you want to secure your Bybit account using Face ID or fingerprint authentication, I'll walk you through the steps. These instructions work on both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the Bybit app and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the J icon in the top right to access your settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Security, scroll down and select Biometric Authentication. From there, choose your preferred method, either Face ID or fingerprint. In this example, I'll enable Face ID. Toggle it on, enter your account password, and then confirm. You'll be prompted to allow Bybit to access your Face ID. Once enabled, the next time you open the app, it will require Face ID verification to log in. Let me demonstrate. I'll close and reopen the app, and as you can see, it's now asking to verify my Face ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.